typical of the first few steps.
Okay, we're good.
Oh, first few steps of any trip
Oh God!
is realizing
What the hell?
you got too many,
What the fuck?
too much clothes.
What has happened?
Everything's tied back.
See, this is why it was hitting me, because this was loose.
Oh, I'm glad you figured it out.
Wow!
Sure it wasn't the lion?
I probably loosened it for the lion,
Matt loosened it for the lion.
and then forgot to tighten it. Yeah, I can see you. You're not completely behind the camera.
I see you. I see you. However that works.
Internal cardiac urinary.
Urinary, I see you.
Urinary what?
Intensive care unit.
No.
Just to take our clothes off, we gotta take all this stuff off. Isn't that just dandy? How did that get like that? Oh, dude. That ain't gonna work.
Yeah!
That
Look,
ain't-
I got mine off faster than yours. Oh, I should wear that shirt.
You should. Or the one that says I got mine off fast.
Yes, that shirt.